How to increase download speed on Chrome browser. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Chrome browser on a device. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Chrome. Now add a colon. Now add a two forward slash and type flex. Again add a slash and tap on search. Then tap on the search bar. Now type downloading. Then tap on search. Now under parallel downloading, simply tap on default and select enabled. Now simply tap on relaunch and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.